Hello everybody. Since my last video, this circulator actually got noisy again about a year and a half later. I wanted to make sure that all of you knew that there's a simple way to replace this pump. You don't have to replace actually the entire pump. You can actually just replace the wet rotor. So rather than replace the entire pump, if you take those 4 bolts or screws off, this cartridge will come out. And if you just replace the cartridge, you'll be as good as new. The new cartridges will be really quiet, and you don't have to replace the entire pump. So that's just a little hint for you. Unless your pump is burned up or you suspect that the windings are no good, there's actually no reason to replace the entire pump. Just replace the cartridge. You can look up the various replacement cartridges. In this particular case, here's my model number. 006-B4, and the replacement cartridge for me came in a box that looked like this. 005-020 RP, and that's a really common replacement cartridge for literally hundreds of Taco circulator pumps. The Taco website has the replacement cartridge number for the various pump models. So give it a look, and just keep it in mind that if you're having noise issues and cleaning the system out and cleaning the air out doesn't resolve them, before you go replace the pump, go ahead and replace this cartridge first. It's a lot cheaper. On eBay, these cartridges are $75 plus minus. I actually bought mine for a lot less, but here's my used one, my old one. When you spin it, you can hear that the bearing is pretty shot. And you can actually hear it. The bearing is shot, and there's just no way to get to that bearing because this whole assembly is completely sealed. Here's some interesting instructions on replacement cartridge assembly. You can read them here for yourself. Fill the system. Run it for 10 minutes immediately after filling the system to purge remaining air from the bearing chamber. Thought that was an interesting tip from Taco. You can see here a reference to the Taco 00 cartridge circulator instruction sheet. I don't know whether 3-year warranty applies these days. This is a pretty old replacement part, but my experience with the Taco products is that they are generally pretty high quality. So thanks for watching. Hope that helps you. Be sure to check out my earlier video if you've got noise issues on your pump system and you need to bleed it and clean it out.